Hello, welcome to my channel, Simple and Short. In this tutorial I'll share how to make easy and affordable DIY crafts that can be made in under 10 minutes. If you're looking to spruce up your home decor, make handmade gifts for loved ones, or simply have a fun crafting session, these ideas are perfect for you. Let's get started. Materials: for these crafts, you will need scissors, glue, tape, colored paper or cardstock, markers or pens, popsicle sticks, paint, paint brushes, string or ribbon, hot glue gun, optional, fabric, corkboard, beads, elastic cord. Craft 1: DIY paper flowers. Step 1: cut out circles of different sizes from colored paper or cardstock. Step 2: fold the circles in half, then in half again. Step 3: cut a small slit in the center of each folded circle. Step 4: stack the circles on top of each other, with the smallest on top and the largest on the bottom. Step 5: thread a piece of string or ribbon through the center of the stack and tie a knot to secure it. Step 6: fan out the circles to create a flower shape and fluff the petals. Craft 2: popsicle stick picture frame. Step 1: paint popsicle sticks in your desired color and let dry. Step 2: lay 4 sticks in a square shape and glue the corners together. Step 3: cut out a picture to fit inside the frame and glue it to the back of the frame. Step 4: attach a loop of string or ribbon to the back of the frame for hanging. Craft 3: DIY handmade cards. Step 1: fold a piece of cardstock in half to create a card. Step 2: use markers or pens to draw or write a design on the front of the card. Step 3: cut out shapes from colored paper and glue them onto the front of the card to create a 3D effect. Step 4: write a personalized message inside the card. Craft 4: DIY fabric coasters. Step 1: cut a piece of fabric to your desired size for the coaster. Step 2: place a piece of felt underneath the fabric and cut it to the same size as the fabric. Step 3: glue the fabric to the felt using fabric glue or hot glue. Step 4: trim any excess fabric or felt around the edges. Step 5: repeat to make a set of coasters. Craft 5: DIY corkboard memo board. Step 1: take a plain corkboard. Step 2: paint the board's edges with acrylic paint in your desired color. Step 3. Use a hot glue gun to attach decorative buttons, pins, or small items on the board. Step 4. Use push pins to attach notes, pictures, or memos on the board. Craft 6. DIY beaded bracelets. Step 1. Cut a piece of elastic cord to fit around your wrist. Step 2. String beads onto the cord in your desired pattern. Step 3. Tie the ends of the cord together to secure the beads. Step 4. Trim any excess cord and tuck the knot inside a bead to hide it. Craft 7. DIY washi tape pencils. Step 1. Take a few plain pencils. Step 2. Use washi tape to wrap around the pencils from top to bottom, creating a colorful design. Step 3. Trim any excess tape at the top and bottom of the pencils. Step 4. Sharpen the pencils, and they are ready to use. Craft 8. DIY painted rocks. Step 1. Find some smooth rocks that are the size of your palm. Step 2. Paint the rocks with acrylic paint in your desired colors and let them dry. Step 3. Use a paintbrush to add patterns, designs, or words onto the rocks. Step 4. Let the paint dry completely and use the rocks as paperweights or decorative pieces. There you have 8 easy and affordable DIY crafts that can be made in under 10 minutes. These ideas are perfect for beginners and seasoned crafters alike and can be customized to your own unique style. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have fun creating. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.